Hi there everyone. In this video we will look at the uh, third tool which is the ripple edit tool and the rolling edit tool. So I have downloaded some of the videos from the Royal website, videos.pixel.com. I'll drop the link in the description. So let's get started. I'll click this first video in my source window and I'll take a part from this video, just let's say from here and till here. IN, the shortcut is I and O, and you can drag this over to your timeline. The name of the timeline with the same with the as the name of the first video. You can change it like my sequence or SCQ, right? So it will reflect over here. Let me get the second video also, and I'll also take, instead of taking the full video, I'll take a part of it from here, I and O, drag it to the timeline, and there you go. So right, in my last video I showed you the selection tool. If I want to I told you that I already explained that in these videos over here, these are not only the clips, they are the whole videos, but they show the part of the clip. You can even get the whole video, or you can even get other frames of the video by trimming it. Like if you go to selection and you trim, you can see above the both videos timing side by side, and here you go, and there's a space now. So all you have to do is you have to select this and you have to bring it, you have to snap it again to the video to make it a complete time sequence, right? So you can do this in one step. How is it? It's quite easy. Let me undo it. Right, click on the ripple edit tool and you can see that I have a yellow marker at the end of my video. As I hold and drag, you can see the video above, the other video, it will snap automatically as soon as I leave the mouse. Like if I want this part of the video, let go the mouse and you can see it already snapped it. So this is two steps in one go. As what you do in selection, you can do it in one step. The other part of the video is still, the video is there. You can even do it either way. You can cut short this video or trim this video, and you can see the other video will snap into it, right? And the timeline is truncated as per the videos. So let me undo it again and bring it to its normal form. Let's check the other one, rolling edit. Okay, the difference between ripple edit and rolling edit is when you do ripple edit will trim the video and it will snap this video, this clip, to the first video or the one before it. In rolling edit, the difference is only that you trim the video. If you trim the first video, the second video will extend some of its part, exposing some of its parts which is already there inside the video, which I told you can do it with selection also. But in here it is in a one go. Like it will reveal the other frames of the video in the ripple edit, like in this rolling edit, sorry. Click and drag and you can see that I am increasing the frame of the second video, at the same time cutting short the first one. Like now here the first video is trimmed as per my requirement and the second video is already expanded, like it has all the frames. So this is a ripple edit. You can do it in either way. Let me undo it, and like I'll go here, and now you can see that I am cutting short the second video and the first video is extending, like it has the frames after it. Here you can see even the timeline is trimmed as per the sequence. So this was the small difference between rolling and ripple. If you like the video, if I left something or any of the features of this small tool, let me know. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.